Hello from Paolo Perrotta, welcome to Ruby Getting Started. So you're intrigued by Ruby. I can't blame you, it's a great language. If you're looking to learn Ruby and you're starting from scratch, then you're in the right place. This training is short, but it gives you the foundational knowledge that you need to write Ruby programs. How to input data, how to deal with basic and not so basic Ruby types, how to write functions, control program flow, manage errors, those essential programming skills. And a few less essential extras as well. We won't learn through slides, we learn by writing code and executing code. We're going to write a program that does a simple text analysis on the works of William Shakespeare. And that toy program will teach you a few things that you need for real-life programming. So after this training, you'll know enough Ruby to write short programs like this one, and you'll be up for more advanced Ruby trainings, or to go on learning Ruby on your own. These are going to be the basics, so you don't need to know anything about Ruby to watch this training. I do expect that you have experience writing code, though, in any other language. You should be familiar with the fundamentals of programming. What's a variable, an array, a function, and so on. We'll use that knowledge. If you're confident about that stuff, then jump in. Let's go learn some Ruby.